look at these beautiful roads. Hello people, this is Moscarblog and today I'm taking this amazing chalk BMW M4 Cabriolet on for a review and for a drive. So join me inside and let's go. So people, you are now joining me inside of the M4 competition Cabriolet. I drove the M3 today also. And let's see how this M4 is. I love that you have the Cabriolet, the sound, the popcorn. It's really comfortable in here. It's really nice with this open roof. I love this car, really. It's so nice. Do you really feel a difference in the weight compared to the M3? I'm not feeling it on this road. It feels like the M3. It feels exactly the same. It doesn't feel like a heavy car. It feels like a super nice cabriolet, this M4 Cabrio. Listen to the pops. It sounds so nice. So people, I will now give it a kick down here. Oh. It feels really, really fast. And it sounds amazing, and the cabriolet feeling is just, it's so cool. Absolutely amazing. Carbon steering wheel here with the carbon shift pedals we had in the M3 before. Harman Kardon, full leather everywhere. It's really a luxurious car. We have the old setup here, not the new one, because the M4 didn't get the facelift yet, but I think this looks really good and it suits the car as well. Listen to the sound. And look at these beautiful roads. you made it up to this point in the video, you might as well check out my M3 review I did. I will link it up there. And after that, I will end this video. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.